In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a ClickFunnels landing page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to duplicate an existing page so you can reuse designs, test variations, or quickly spin up new funnels without starting from scratch every time. Let's begin right from inside your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu with different apps and tools. Find and click on the option labeled Landing Pages. This is where all of your funnel pages are managed, and it's the starting point for copying any existing layout. After you open the Landing Pages app, you'll be taken to a dashboard that lists all of the landing pages you've already created. Take a moment to scroll through this list and get familiar with it. Each entry represents a separate page, along with some quick options for managing it. Now carefully locate the specific landing page you want to copy. It helps to remember the page name or look at the funnel it belongs to so you don't accidentally duplicate the wrong one. Once you've found the right page, look for the clone icon next to its name. This is usually represented by a small duplicate or copy symbol. Go ahead and click that clone icon. As soon as you do, ClickFunnels will automatically create a new version of that landing page. This cloned page will carry over the same design, layout, and content as the original, including sections, images, text, and most of the settings. Think of it as taking a snapshot of your existing page and instantly turning it into a new editable copy. Now that your cloned landing page has been created, it will appear right there in the same list of landing pages. You might see it with a slightly modified name, often something that indicates it's a copy. Click directly on the name of this new cloned page to open it in the page editor. Inside the editor, you can start customizing your cloned landing page. Update headlines, change images, tweak colors, or adjust the layout to match your new goals. This is also a great time to tailor any call to action buttons or forms so they point to the correct offers or email lists. When you're happy with your changes, make sure you click the Save button. Saving locks in all your edits so your new landing page is ready to publish, test, and share.